His simple answer is, Uphold doesn't actually calculate your profits or losses for you. While they issue some tax documents, the ultimate responsibility for calculating and reporting your crypto taxes falls on you, the user. This is a crucial point for anyone using the platform. To understand your tax situation, you need to grasp the basic concepts of crypto taxes. The IRS and other tax authorities treat cryptocurrency as property. This means every time you sell, trade, or spend crypto, it's considered a taxable event. To figure out your profit or loss on a taxable event, you need to know two key things. Cost basis: this is the original value of your crypto when you acquired it. It includes the purchase price plus any fees. For example, if you bought one ETH for $3,000 and paid a $10 fee, your cost basis is $3,010. Proceeds: this is the amount of money you receive when you sell, trade, or spend your crypto. The formula is simple: profit/loss equals proceeds, cost basis. If your proceeds are more than your cost basis, you have a capital gain money mouth face. If your proceeds are less than your cost basis, you have a capital loss chart decreasing. While Uphold won't do the math for you, they do provide you with the data you need. They will issue certain tax forms to U.S. users, such as Form 1099-B and Form 1099 MISC. However, these forms often don't contain a complete picture, especially if you've transferred crypto to or from other exchanges or wallets. The best way to get a full view of your transaction history on Uphold is by downloading a CSV file of your activity. You can find this in your account's activity section. It will contain the timestamp, transaction type, and amounts for every single trade you've made. This is where the real work begins. You have two main options for calculating your gains and losses. Manual calculation: you can go through your downloaded CSV file line by line and manually calculate each transaction's profit or loss. This is a painstaking process and prone to errors, especially if you have a lot of trades. It's not recommended for most people. Crypto tax software: this is the easiest and most reliable method. You can connect your Uphold account to a crypto tax software via an API or by uploading your CSV file. The software will then automatically analyze your entire transaction history, track your cost basis, and calculate your capital gains and losses for you. It will even generate the necessary tax forms, like Form 8949 and Schedule D, ready for you to file. Money bag. Remember, understanding your tax obligations is a critical part of being a crypto investor.